Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We got Lila. What I call you, Noel?
Yeah.
And we got Noel. It's actually Noelle, but her channel will be linked down below if you guys want to go check out Lila's Instagram. Do you want me to link it?
Yes.
Yeah, you can.
I'm back.
Yeah,
Finally.
so sorry, she's in law school, so it's, well, pre-law, right? Technically, yeah. So she's in pre-law, so she's just never around anymore. I apologize. We went to Lowell's yesterday and got a bunch of stuff, and I haven't showed them what we're doing, and I haven't even said anything to you guys, so.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's go.
There's just really little context, but we are making the truck bed camper. That's the context. So I'll tell you the thumbnail, whatever. So let's get into it. I'm gonna open up the truck bed camp, and I'm just gonna show your reaction because I want you guys to see what my goal plan is. So stand in front of the camera. I'm gonna open this up. Ready?
Okay. Dang.
The sun is blocking it.
This is the worst reaction.
Awesome.
Okay.
Nice.
Do you like it?
Yes. Is it
Sweet. Ooh.
Not bad.
But hear me out. This is not going on that wood.
Where is it going?
I need your help to take that out so this can go down there.
Okay.
Okay,
you
so
get
do we
the-
have to lift this out?
Yes.
Oh, good. Good.
Yeah,
Okay.
it weighs probably like 400.
You think we can do that?
Yeah. If me and your grandfather can do it, don't underestimate us. We got 3 strong girls, and we're gonna make it happen. Right, guys?
Yeah. Becca's the macho man in this.
Oh.
Okay, Lila.
These are the leggings from
What do you mean?
Amazon or whatever, the
Yes.
Instagram leggings.
Yeah.
Oh.
They make
Like,
your
look
butt
at
look so good. Like,
Yeah.
And
Dang.
it's so comfy right here. This is what
That's
girls
cute.
are like on YouTube.
Just talking about butts. All right, come on, guys. We got
Here's one.
Can it slide out? No, it can't.
No.
Can't slide at all. Like just a little bit over. 'Cause
Yeah, it
who's
can
gonna
slide a
lift?
little.
Oh, good.
All right. It's built in this bitch. Okay. Yeah, subscribe.
Thanks, since I'm probably gonna be the one sleeping in here with her. I'm very excited. I did a great job picking out the rug. And it's very soft. And I'm proud of Becca for actually getting this going and not just thinking about it. So I'm excited.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Noelle, how do you feel?
Feeling good. I'm glad I could help out. Thanks to my idea of lifting or
you did
suspending
all the
the
grunt work.
bottom.
You helped a lot.
I really just did it. It was just Becca that I'm just on her channel. But it was all my work.
Taya showed up a little late. Taya, how you
Showed up
feeling?
late. I'm just really glad I was here to really pull everything together for you guys. I don't really know what you would have done without me, so. I also am confused. I thought I was going to be in here with Becca, but apparently Lila, so.
We can take turns.
All right, cool. All right, I'm in.
Where the quad is getting it done. The quad. Oh, the quad squad. We're the quad squad. Girl bosses. But yeah, we'll continue soon. But for now, this is all I got. Okay, you guys are probably extremely confused. The last time you guys saw my truck bed, it had nothing in it. Now there's a wooden platform in it that I showed nothing of it being built, and that is due to the fact that I built it with Lila's grandfather, and people in that age group just really don't like cameras, and he was not into the fact of me recording, which I completely respected, and you know, you win some, you lose some type of things, but he's just an incredible builder, and I really wanted to work with him, and that meant me not being able to film, which sucked, but I got some footage. So what you're watching right now is after we built the platform, no draws, nothing. We just built the platform, and then I was like, well, we put it in and out a couple times, and I wanted to put carpet in. And I was like, oh, Lila's grandfather and I, we took it out like ease, so we can do it, me, Noelle, and Lila. No, we couldn't. We could not. We used a jack. We used wood to shove underneath and lift up one side. It was not working. Long story short, we jacked it up on both sides and ended up putting the carpet in and made it look really nice and flush. Somehow we managed to do that, so big shout out to the girls for helping me, because without them I don't think I would be able to do it. But that carpet is in, so checkmate on that one. Now I'm going to show you guys the platform outside. I'm going to bring you guys outside right now. It is about 20-mile-per-hour winds. It is, how cold is it? Last time I checked, it was 26. Feels like temps lower than that because of the fact that it's really windy. So I'm going to take you guys outside. I have the wind mic on, so you guys should be nice and fine, but hopefully the audio is good. Let's show you guys my pride and joy truck bed camper. Thank you for clicking on this video, supporting the channel. I'm really excited about this. I see you. Oh, it's so cold. So basically the truck camper build is all about the viewpoint, right? Imagination, I guess you could say. As you can see, I still don't have the truck cap due to the fact that because of COVID, everything's really behind. I still have a couple more weeks until it comes in, which really sucks. The truck didn't come with one, so I had to order one, and yeah, kind of a pain, but we got it done and we ordered one, so time to go show you guys the beaut. Let's go do it. Fancy step stool. Oh no. Okay, so this is the platform. I decided to raise it, and raising it, all that's gonna do is get me 2 pretty big draws, which is awesome. This is my doggy step, so Sky, my dog, can get up here. I got her some steps. She's an oldie, so just to make it safe. But what I did, which is different from anything I've seen on these truck bed campers, is I wanted to match me perfectly, right? So I got a draw here, a draw there, and then besides having a 3rd draw, I left it completely open so I can fit my rods in it, like perfect. So you gotta use your imagination. The cover's off and you got the truck cap on. We got a mattress in there, right? So I'm gonna move this sweatshirt over. This drawer right here, pretty much already filled, but it's all my cooking stuff. I got bowls, salad bowl, can opener, bunch of utensils, just some basic stuff. I got them all at the dollar store because I wasn't trying to break the bank, and the dollar store had literally all this stuff, which was sweet. And then come back here, got the cast iron. I use these things way too often. Need a, why can't I not, measuring tape, sorry about that. Just a bunch of random stuff. Can never have too many ratchet straps. So this is draw number 1, just a bunch of random stuff. I have dividers coming in that I bought. Besides of making dividers all out of wood, I made one in the middle with Lila's grandfather, and then I got some adjustable ones that I ordered on Amazon. Just because I know I'm going to want to change up the design, you know, just randomly. So I didn't want to put wood in here and make it like so that I can't change it later on. So only one on this side. Gonna close this drawer up. Nice and perfect. Look at that. And besides putting your normal handle on it, I decided to do rope. That's because, if you can't tell, I have an 8-foot bed, right? So my platform isn't completely 8 foot. This is so I can put my shoes here and whatnot. I can sit up in the morning or kind of just do my thing. I just wanted some extra space that's not completely filled, which I think is gonna work out a lot better than doing the whole 8-foot bed. I don't need that much room to sleep. I'm only 5'5", 5'4" on a good day, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, when I put my feet down here, I'm not gonna be slamming into the handle. This is gonna protect me from not banging into it, which is gonna be really nice. Then you got, you know, the beautiful rod section. Come over here. This one's gonna be my clothes. I also put a divider straight in the middle on this one, so it can be my clothes and Lila's clothes, because Lila will be joining me a lot. So I think this is plenty of space, especially for even if just a couple day trip or whatever. But say we go on a long trip, I think this is going to be enough room for both of us. Hopefully, that's the goal at least. And then besides putting tile, right here I put carpet, and underneath that carpet you can kind of see that I put this thing on it, which is going to help the carpet not slide. So you know, when you're getting in and out of it, your carpet's not going everywhere. So which I'm sure you guys already saw that in a little bit of the clips that I showed earlier from a couple days ago with the girls. But that's all I got for now. But as you can see, we definitely struggled, but we got it to happen putting down the green right here. So it's like the platform sitting on grass, but you're not. That's the illusion we kind of went for. It is cold out there. So another thing is I need power. I need to be able to charge my camera gear and my laptop. So about 4 months ago, I contacted a solar panel company, and they're really awesome. I'm having a meeting with them this Monday. I think today's Saturday. Yeah, today's Saturday. I'm having a meeting with them on Monday to kind of discuss with them and figure out what solar panel is going to be the best for me. I really just want to transfer to solar. I've always been so interested in it. Really excited for the meeting on Monday. Really excited to be working with them. I'm not going to say their name just yet, but once that contract is signed, baby, I'm excited. They're great. They're not paying me. They're just simply sending me a couple panels and teaching me about it, which is all I need. I don't want to get paid by them. I just want to be able to learn and prosper into the solar panel world. So solar, check. I need the truck cap, not check. And then food, where am I gonna keep food? I did not do this on purpose, but check out how cool this is. So it's only 2 doors, which is whatever. I'm not mad about my truck. Do this right here, and look how perfect this thing sits in here. So the way this one works is clamp up, and then it's not a massive cooler by any means, but I can't see myself putting a crazy amount of food in here anyways. I don't remember the size of this. I think it's only like 24, but it literally fits perfect on this weird little platform in the bed of my truck. It's amazing. This thing closes, the seat will close like there's nothing back there, and can lean all the way back, which is so cool. And then I have 2 hangers right here that I've been using for, you know, just my jackets and whatnot, which I'll continue to use that as I'm truck camping for less cluster in the back of the bed. So that's going to be super helpful. We got the cooler. Can't even tell I have a cooler, which is sweet. 2 hooks for my jackets, all my vests, all my Guggen beautiful jackets. There's definitely work that still needs to be done. But I'm posting this video now because we do have a couple more weeks before we can go camping in it. I know it's going to be like cold and it's gonna be bad. I live in New England, so I'm starting truck camping in the cold, so I'm getting the worst of it out of the way. So I think that's honestly kind of smart, but it's gonna suck and be weird to get used to. It might make me hate it a little bit. I don't know. Next thing's next. I gotta get a 0 degree or -degree sleeping bag, and then I don't know what else I really need. I need your help. Comment down below what I'm missing, what I should add. Getting like a safety kit, carbon dioxide detector. I don't know what else I could need, but I'm sure you guys can help me in the comments down below. This is gonna be so cool and I'm so excited. It's gonna make my life a lot easier and my fishing adventures a lot easier too. I just need that truck camper cap to come in so bad. I need the truck cap. That's it. I get that truck cap, it's game over. We're filming a video probably that night. The second they call me and they're like, hey, Becca arrived, and I'll be like, install that and I'm going camping. But I can't do that right now. I have so many cool video ideas that's planned for this. Like, I bought something really special I can't wait to share with you guys. And the second I can film it, I'm doing it. So, I'm excited if you can't tell. Hey. Hopefully you guys kind of got the gist of everything what happened, everything that happened with the truck build. It's not done yet, definitely not complete. Mattress, sleeping bag, truck cap, etc., etc. There's some things that really need to happen first before we do anything. I need your help, like I just said, outside in the freezing cold. My nose is runny. I hate that. Every time it's cold, my nose just, it's like a faucet. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for being so generous and clicking on this and supporting me through this whole thing. It's been a process, to say the least, but I love you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. It does not go unnoticed, and yeah, I just really appreciate you guys. I don't know what else to say. The truck camper is coming together slowly but surely, and I couldn't be more excited. So hopefully you guys are excited about this too, because that's what matters the most to me right now. But I'm gonna end off the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys next time.